In this bonus tutorial, we'll cover how to use a Trelliscope display and share it. First, Trelliscope displays are HTML files that require support files in a folder. From the download display, unzip the file, open the Trelli folder, and open the index.html file. Do not remove or alter any of the other files. While sharing displays, make sure to share the zipped file, which contains all the components necessary. Note that on Windows, it is possible to preview the contents of a zipped folder without actually unzipping it. In order to view the Trelliscope display via the index.html file, the folder must be unzipped. When opening the index.html file, this interface pops up. For a quick tour, click the hand in the top right corner. First, the Filters panel will allow users to filter continuous data by selecting a range, or categorical data by selecting a category name. These filters stack and can be removed easily with the Remove All feature. Next, sort data by metas using the Sort dropdown. Change the number of columns in the display with columns. Add metas to each of the panels with the labels. Advanced features are explained on the Trelliscope help pages. See the link in the video description.